going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. And you can see by the thumbnail, I had a very good week. A very good week. So some of the positions I took profit on, like NZD CAD. I had an entry right here, and I exited right there. Got out. I'm unsure. I want to see this monthly candle close. We have one more week. One more week. And if we can get a 382 pin bar on the monthly, I'm going to be all over this. All over this to the upside. Because this looks good. Big picture, long term, like to the upside. This looks like a bull flag kind of situation going on. So I do think that at some point we're going to get a nice push up, and that would be, you know, a place to consider taking profit. But I want to see that monthly candle close, and then we'll decide, and I'm sure we'll get some sort of retracement again. So I'm going to hold off on that one for now. And USD CAD, I had two positions on this week. This one, which is still here, this position by itself was up like 1,100 bucks. But I'm not taking profits on this. Not yet, because this is not what I'm looking for. And yes, there's the Fed meetings coming up this Wednesday. So there's a good possibility that this thing rockets higher. And if that's the case, that's fine. I'm going to double down on my position. Because this is what I'm seeing, right? So the US dollar, back when we had this push, this corrective move down, right? This is a bull flag, and this, like, I didn't know as much as I know now about trading, obviously, because yeah, I didn't make a dime off this rise, even though it's like everyone's saying, oh, this is going to be a stock market crash, the dollar's going to go up. I didn't know. Like, chart wise, it looked like, yeah, from what I've learned, this is a bull flag. It should go up. It did. Son of a gun. You know what I mean? So if we go and look at USD CAD, it's the same thing, just upside down. Bearish move, took out lows, and it's corrective and choppy coming up on the monthly chart. If you look at the dollar on the monthly chart, it's been straight up. Straight up. But if you look at USD CAD, it's not straight up. It's choppy. It's corrective. And you notice, even way back here, we're getting wicks. Wicks. Every time it gets up into this area, it sells off, sells off, sells off. So this looks like a very, very good area to start building a position. Even if this comes up higher, I am going to double down on this. This is going to be my long-term hold no matter what. Like, I have not been able to force myself to do something like this so far, because it gets painful very, very quickly. That's why I'm trying to throw in some, see what happens. You know, see the monthly candle action, see what's happening on the weekly. Okay, it's starting to look good. So now we have the Fed raising rates again on Wednesday. And if we actually shoot back to the dollar, you know, this was the last Fed hike right here, and it dropped. Because it was pre-priced into the market, and we had a drop, and then all of a sudden it just starts going up again. I think it might be pre-priced into the market, the next Fed rate hike. So depending on what they say, this could come up potentially for a little bit. Maybe it does not take out the high, maybe it does. But if it does, then that means USD CAD will shoot up again. And if it does, you know, I've got 100,000. I've got a standard lot sell limit sitting right at the tip of this wick. So if it shoots back up there, I'm literally doubling down on this. And then when it comes back down, you know, I'll have the option to close the lesser of the two. But yeah, I'm not selling. I'm not getting out of this position quite yet. I want to see at least down to the trend line. And if I can get that, then I will, you know, decide whether to take profits or not, depending on what happens when we hit this level and what's going on in the world. And also USD Mexican peso, I saw head and shoulders, so I went for it. You know, shoulder, swing, head, swing, shoulder, entry, and it's pushing down. So if it comes down, I'm thinking, you know, possibly we'll hit this trend line again, and then I'm not sure. But usually whatever happens on Friday will continue on Monday. So Friday we were selling. So more than likely Monday we're going to finish this move down. And yeah, I'm not looking to hold this one too long. I'm just looking to, maybe we'll go right there. It'll be 131 bucks. Thank you. And I'm out. And then USD Swiss franc. So I entered this because we had a 382 on, or a 236 pin bar on the weekly, and I waited for a retracement right there, and it started to sell. So again, Friday it sold off. So more than likely Monday or tonight into tomorrow, this is going to finish its move down to this trend line, where I will be probably taking profits right at the trend line. We have been making lower lows and lower highs, so I don't know if this is exactly a descending triangle. It kind of looks like one, but I don't know though, because you can see this did not stay at this level. It kind of broke below a little bit, so I don't think this is a descending triangle. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It looks like possibly it could be a bull flag. You know, we could get one more push, but it doesn't mean it's gonna, you know, take out highs or anything. You know what I mean? We might get one more push. It could come up into these highs, and then from there, long-term down, because this looks like a great long-term short position. Big picture, it's been bearish, but the dollar's been making higher highs and higher lows until this. We took out swing lows a lot on the monthly chart in 2021. Now price is working its way back up into this area of resistance, and we're getting all kinds of rejection right here. I mean, we're getting huge wicks. So, I mean, this potentially could be another... This might be another one of those trades that I just leave it. And if it comes back up even higher, throw more on, throw more on, throw more on, and hold it. Because I think these will pay in the long term. But again, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure things are looking good. But I think for now, you know, I don't want to go too crazy. So this position, I'm going to take profits at these lows. Take it, get out. USD Mexican, I'm going to take that and get out. And NZD CAD, I'm just going to wait. I want to see this monthly candle close, and once I see that monthly candle close, if it's a 382, 236 pin bar, I'm in. I'll just wait for the retracement, and I'm in for a nice push up. Let's see, Bitcoin. The Bitcoins looks like a bull flag right now. We got to move up. Corrective pattern down. This looks like potentially we might be getting another push up. I don't know. We'll have to see, but this is going to be an interesting week. It's going to be probably volatile as crap, so that's why I kind of want to just you know, I think Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, things are going to be slow. Things are just going to kind of just move the way they normally move. So I see no reason I can't get out of this in profit, get out of USD CAD in profit, and then, I mean, USD Mexican in profit, and then USD CAD, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it and see what happens, because who knows? You know, the daily chart, we've taken out lows. I mean, this is on the daily chart. We had this swing high, this swing low, this swing high, and then this. So this low took out that low. It also took out this low. It did not take out this guy, though. That's the only thing. I would have liked to seen it like come down and take out this wick as well. That's why I'm thinking there's a good chance that this might come back up. It might only come back up to here, though. That's the thing. So I'm not messing with it. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And Euro, I'm going to leave for now. We've got bullish engulfing on the weekly, though. So, but yeah, I'm not looking to place any more trades this week. I'm going to kind of let these do their thing. The trades that I'm in, let them kind of do their thing. USD CAD, like I say, I'm going to leave. If it does go higher, I'm going to add on. And then I'm just going to wait until the end of this week and see that monthly candle action. And then after that, then we'll decide, you know, what our next course of action will be. But yeah, anyways, that's it for this one. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. See you later.